Let's look at the partner drill version of ranging footwork. I'm going to do the entire drill with the sticks on my shoulder. Now I'm trying to keep the sticks parallel to each other and parallel to the ground with the middle of my stick on my shoulder. So I'm going to be in front of Zarir over here. If you want, you can measure long range. So I'm going to extend my stick, Zarir is going to extend his stick. We should be just able to touch each other's hands. That's the distance we want. We're going to start with our sticks on our shoulders. Now Zarir is going to come forward towards either right or left. I am going to go backwards 45 degrees on the same side. Okay? If he's come, which leg is that?
Right side.
If that's his right leg, I'm not going back on my right side. It'll actually be my left side. So instead of thinking of right and left, it's easier to just think of same side. This side we're going together, this side we're going together. Okay, so again we're going to start. He comes forward, I go back. He comes forward, I go back. I go forward, he goes back. I go forward, he goes back. We both go side together. We both go side together. Now we're going to go double step. He comes forward, I go back. He comes forward, I go back. I come forward, he goes back again. We go to the side, we go to the side, and we come back home. Now let's check distance once. You'll see that we haven't come any closer, haven't got any further. We've started and come back from exactly where we began. One thing to keep in mind is when Zarir, at least especially when we're beginning, I am going back because Zarir comes forward. I don't want to be stepping back first and then Zarir comes forward. Whoever is going back in the beginning, you are going back because your partner comes forward. So he comes forward, that's why I go back, as a reaction to him. Now I go forward, then he goes back. I go forward, then he goes back. We go side together. This is the beginning double step. Once you start to develop a flow with each other, then you're going to be moving together in this almost like a dance, which is fine. Initially, until that happens, you want to make sure that you are going back because someone is coming forward and they are going back because you're coming forward.